Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to change door speakers in a Honda Civic. First, gather your essential tools, including a panel removal tool, a Phillips head screwdriver, and your new speakers. It's crucial to ensure your new speakers are the correct size, commonly 6.5 inches. For safety, always disconnect the car's negative battery terminal before you begin any work. This simple step prevents electrical shorts and ensures a safe working environment. Now, let's tackle the door panel. Begin by carefully prying off the window switch panel using your panel removal tool. Next, locate and remove any visible screws. Typically, there's one behind the door handle and another in the armrest. Once the screws are out, gently unclip the door panel from the door frame, working your way around the edges. Remember to disconnect any electrical connectors attached to the panel before fully removing it. With the door panel off, you can now access the old speaker. Unscrew the old speaker from its mounting bracket and carefully disconnect the speaker wire harness. If your new speakers require an adapter, connect it now. Then, connect the new speaker to the existing wire harness. Finally, secure the new speaker firmly into the mounting location, ensuring it's snug and properly aligned. This step is crucial for optimal sound quality. You're almost done. Begin by reconnecting all electrical connectors to the door panel. Carefully align the door panel and firmly press it back into place, ensuring all clips engage properly. Reinstall all the screws you removed earlier, followed by the window switch panel. Once everything is secure, reconnect the car's negative battery terminal. Finally, turn on your car and test your new speakers to enjoy your upgraded audio experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.